The deadly venom. Let me start from the beginning. We always hitting, so yo, there'll be no extra innings. As I send the mic out the park like Reggie Jackson, you be the minor leaguer who sees no action. The coming attraction, what? The main feature. And I'ma greet you like a rhyming ass creature, lurking all up in the dark unknown parts. The brother well prepared is the brother who will start, and that's me, I keep. As long as the ladies move their bodies, we'll have a forum to stand, cause that happens to be the nature of man. Sexuality, it is the format, baby. Ain't no ifs, no buts, no ands or maybes. But I praise the Lord of the worlds that's unseen. Respect me for that and let me do my thing. I said respect me for that and let me do my thing. You know we gotta get a hold over the illest drum roll. Yo, how you doing? Let me give you an intro. My name's The Abstract, now let me give you some info. Got the diamond in the back and the sunroof shit that makes the hardcore MCs resort to be a bitch. And I don't give a shit about being wild rich. Just make me comfortable and I'll deal with it. Your lust for the riches make a nigga feel sick. Down to his gullets, up chuck and then spit. Denouncing my beliefs, well then your wig gets split. Lay your egos on the ground so that you'll benefit. You can take these words and relay it to your click. Take some time for your mind and get off them head trips. Don't try to play me, see my name's not Dick. The tribe is the crew that make the mics get lit. Like the 4th of July on some fireworks shit. My record company be on some true jerk shit. But that's alright, now I'm on some true work shit. And I'ma make it happen for my whole outfit. You know we got to get control over the illest drum roll. Hey yo, we just getting started, got to redirect this vision. Got the beauty of a flower plus dimensions like a prism. Your minds are locked down like prison. Y'all really need to go lay down, cause positivity is risen. We hitting, yo, bust how we too strong to be broken. Occasional malfunction, pressure time, we ain't token for security. Yo, we on this run like Logan. Come on, doing the hustle and you backstage Rogan. We all got force, don't ever try to think that you perfect. We all are human beings, it's bullshit at the surface sometimes. I mean, we rhyme, damn, we ain't prophets. And if you think so, you need to stop it. So jump back inside your shell. Let your $1 million thoughts propel. But next man, don't get gel. Player hate that all carries weight that we don't need. Be slim with disabilities and thick with possibilities. Cause then you can't move with agility. Navigating with good visibility. We put these tunes out in record shop facilities. Let's strive to get these constant money activity. We try to stay on the scene like Fidel. So if you get amnesia, these names are still ring bells. There ain't no plan B's. Yo, watch, we moving through with plan A. Money market doing things the right way. You know we gotta get control over the illest drum roll. You know we gotta get control over the illest drum rolls. You know we gotta get control over the illest drum roll. Yo, bust it out, section, Linda Boulevard, section on Merrick, section of Whole Jamaica, section on Flushing, section of Bed-Stuy, section
We be the number one motivators, ghetto mentality and innovators, raiders. Some of y'all may really hate us, but we won't be sore. All we wanna do is rock.
We be the crew that possess that old wicked instrumental, damaging your mental, from here to Sacramento. This here groove was made for vintage freestyling, feeling like I'm chilling on a Caribbean island. Rugged raw material is what we bring forth. A Tribe Called Quest, we representing up north. When got your Sega in the back, acting all silly, kicking freestyle raps, rolling up Philly.
It's the 4-man fiasco, in charge like Roscoe. Now you get the picture like Picasso. We make it happen when these niggas start rapping. Who this captain? Stick out your hand, you get no dapping. I got the razor, got the fife, I got the shy heat. Now all you shorties move your ass while you puff weed. Blessing fans with autographs in my past, while other rappers get gas, they be defeating the task.
Yo, if I ruled the world, it wouldn't be that gas shit. Niggas will mix it like swirl. Cause half of you G's ain't nothing but girl scouts. And I'ma show you what it's all about. Oh yeah. Didn't mean to let you down.